Hello, puzzle friends. So for today's video, I have a special idea. I want to show you how to do a custom puzzle advent calendar, and I participate in this very cute activity in a Facebook group, and yeah, I had to do a custom puzzle calendar, and I also received one which I didn't know how it looked until the end, like today, because today is Christmas Eve. It's 24, and it was the day I put all the puzzle parts together. And yes, I'm pretty very happy with the result, and I can't wait to show you how I did the calendar, and also how what I received as a calendar. And yeah, it was a very fun activity. I didn't expect it. It was such fun, to have every day something to do, and not a commercial one, because it wasn't commercial. It was from another person, and to know that that person put a lot of love and effort and kindness to do all to the calendar. It really gives you a special feeling, and I think that's it is the Christmas all about: special feelings and kindness. And overall, I'm so happy. I wish you all Merry Christmas and happy holidays, and also for those who love puzzle, happy puzzling, because we have some free days to say so. And yeah, happy puzzling, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. I wish you all the best, and I hope you will have fun watching this new video. Stay safe. Bye bye. Hey, puzzle friends! So today is Christmas Eve, and I have all the puzzle pieces ready, all the puzzle parts, all the 24 ones, and it's time to actually put them together. I'm so excited. I don't know what the image will be. We can have a guess by looking at all those parts, but I still haven't unwrapped the puzzle box yet, so it will be a surprise. And I think I'll start with the parts that have the edges, and we'll see how this will look. Well, let's do it.